Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty and wellness essentials you'll want to know about. Today, I'm reviewing the Master Massage Bedford Massage Chair, a full-body portable massage chair designed to offer professional comfort on the go. Whether you're a massage therapist, tattoo artist, or someone who needs a reliable portable chair, this one promises durability, adjustability, and ease of transport. Right off the bat, this massage chair stands out for its lightweight yet sturdy aircraft-quality steel frame. It can support up to 500 pounds and folds down compactly, measuring just 11 by 14 by 39 inches when folded and weighing only 18 pounds. That portability is a big deal if you're moving between clients or different locations. The chair's upholstery is made from a rich brown, oil and water-resistant PU leather that's easy to clean and has a durable denim-like backing to prevent wear over time. The cushioning uses multi-layer small cell foam designed to provide soft but supportive comfort during sessions. In my experience using it, setting up the chair was straightforward. Adjusting the height between 24 and 34 inches was smooth and precise, which makes a huge difference depending on the client's size and your working position. The 6-way adjustable face cradle paired with the Max Comfort memory foam pillow gave great support and comfort, especially important for longer sessions. The chair felt stable and secure on different surfaces, which I tested both indoors and on slightly uneven flooring. It didn't feel flimsy at all despite the lightweight design, which impressed me. However, I did notice a couple of things. The PU leather, while easy to clean, can feel a bit firm at first and may take a little breaking in to soften fully. Also, for those with very tall clients, the height range might feel a bit limiting, but for most, it covers the essentials well. The carrying case included is convenient, but a bit snug, so packing it up requires a bit of care to avoid straining the zippers. Now, is this chair worth your investment? Priced at a mid-range level compared to other portable massage chairs, it offers solid value given its durable steel frame, portability, and comfort features. It strikes a good balance between professional-grade construction and convenience for on-the-go use. If you're looking for something heavier duty or with more customizable features, you might find higher-end models with pricier tags. But for most beauty and wellness pros needing portability without compromising quality, this chair fits the bill. Compared to some other portable chairs I've tested, this one excels in build quality and thoughtful details like the reinforced upholstery and memory foam pillow. Some competitors skimp on these and feel less durable over time. If price is a concern, budget alternatives exist, but often sacrifice sturdiness or comfort, which can be a false economy in a professional setting. The powder-coated steel frame also means this chair should resist rust and scratches better than some, promising longevity with regular use. Since I haven't interacted directly with the brand's customer support, I can't comment there. But Master Massage generally has a solid reputation in the industry for professional equipment. If you're a professional massage therapist, tattoo artist, or wellness provider who needs a reliable, portable chair with easy setup and decent adjustability, the Bedford Massage Chair is definitely worth considering. Its combination of lightweight design, solid construction, and comfort features make it a practical choice for on-the-go sessions. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. Your support means the world to us. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic today. If you've tried the Master Massage Bedford chair or have other favorites, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. You can find the purchase link in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.